Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because we are going to do the unboxing and review of a really interesting laptop, the RCA RWNC51428-BK-S laptop. In this video, we'll take a close look at all the details of this laptop and explore what makes it unique. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we have here is the box of the RCA RWNC51428-BK-S laptop. As you can see, it's an elegant and compact box that gives you an idea of what is inside. Let's open it up and see what we have. Here is the laptop. Here is the laptop in all its glory. It has a really slim and stylish design that fits perfectly with the new aesthetics of Windows 11 Plus. The blue color gives it a modern and sophisticated touch. One of the features that caught my attention is the built-in fingerprint scanner. This adds an extra layer of security to your data and makes logging in more convenient than ever. On the side we find a USB Type-C port, two USB 3.1 ports, an HDMI port, and a 6.3mm audio jack. This provides a wide range of connectivity options for your device and accessories. This laptop is equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor and an impressive 16GB in RAM. This means you will be able to handle multitasking and demanding applications without performance issues. The 40.1-inch display with narrow bezels is really easy on the eyes. While the resolution is 3066 by 768, the imaging quality is quite good and perfect for watching your favorite shows and movies. The laptop comes with Preinstalled Windows 11 Home, making the most of its design and features. Moreover, the lithium-ion battery offers you up to 8.5 hours of battery life, which is great for portability and productivity. In summary, the RCA RWNC51428-BK-S laptop is a truly attractive choice for those seeking a sleek and powerful laptop. With its slim design, robust performance, and features like the fingerprint scanner, it's definitely a laptop worth considering. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload more content. Until next time.